was 13A.
It is clear अब
यानी जो डिक्लेरेशन है, डिक्लेरेशन उनको 24 तारीख की जो लास्ट डेट है अपने सबमिशन पेपर में डिक्लेरेशन लाजमी लिख देना चाहिए. उस डिक्लेरेशन के मुताबिक सर्टिफिकेट बेशक सिंबल लेने से पहले हो, लेकिन डिक्लेरेशन पहले होनी चाहिए.
बिल्कुल.
सपोज अगर पार्टी ए की तरफ से डिक्लेरेशन है तो पार्टी ए की सर्टिफिकेट एट द टाइम ऑफ इश्यूइंग सिंबल दिखाना होगा.
Sir, I think what my lord is saying, I'm also, I won't use the word page, but
ये इसमें इनके इन साहब
bow to my lords.
इन साहब ने तो लिखा है, सुनिए था.
और आगे सर देखिए सर इसमें with utmost respect, and I think the best thing is what for me as counsel is what Mr. Justice Mansoor Ali Shah said, that I leave it for the bench now to interpret.
We clear on the legal question.
There are
Interpret की बात-
every document in this sequence, with utmost respect of Mr. Hamid Raza, contradicts the previous one.
ये आपका स्टैंड क्या है? देखिए इसमें इन्होंने लिखा है सुनिए थे आप.
सर मेरा स्टैंड
आप क्या इनको सुनिए थे आप का सर्टिफिकेट देना चाहिए था
Independent.
या अलायंस का देना चाहिए था?
this is a hypothetical question, but I'll answer it. In my personal view, sir, it was, if he wished, I'll couch it like this, that if he wished to contest as SIC, he should have just said SIC and given his own ticket, which is what I submitted, that if all he had to do instead of these 3 somersaults was he wrote SIC, wo aage PTI alliance likha hua hai, that could be read as not applicable.
Even if it is alliance,
it
then
didn't
the
exist.
Declaration should have mentioned that he is the PTI candidate rather than
Independent.
The 66 declaration should have been consistent with that, with the tickets.
We understood your point. It's for us to interpret.
Thank you, my lord. It's for my lord. My
Just
lord,
one quick factual position, because I kept looking at the record. Could you just tell me what page would the decision of ECP dated 22nd of
my
December?
lord, it is not, it seems,
It's nowhere
मैं
anywhere.
अब्दुल्ला से भी पूछ रहा था कि है कि नहीं, और मैंने dates कल लिखी थी, but
नहीं भी
यहाँ
नहीं
पे
record.
मेरे ख्याल में नहीं है, but when I sit down, I have a feeling it's somewhere,
चलो.
but not in my papers.
As long as you tell us where it is.
I will dig it out and I'll give the page to the court associates.
Thank you. You can maybe
But
proceed.
that's a fair, I actually was looking for it yesterday, I kind of gave up. My lord, I'll quickly go back to my first legal submission, which was regarding the tickets of PTI.
Point 3.
Three in a way. Sir, so I gave the dates in response to one of the queries. ECP decision came on 22nd. 10-1 Peshawar High Court. 13-1 the Honorable, the Supreme Court. My submission is, my lord, that between the 14th of January until the 7th of February, the day basically until midnight of the 7th, on the eve of the 8th, which was the polling day, the PTI, again, there was no bar on it, and in fact, I was in those hearings, it was encouraged to conduct, to basically comply with section 208 and 209 of the Elections Act, and to conduct and notify its intra-party election to the Election Commission of Pakistan. Again, had this been done right until the 7th even,
what difference would it make?
then they could have contested, my lord, on their own.
How could they?
How would they have? आपका अपना schedule फिर defeat हो जाता सारा, because they would be behind on everything.
They
You would have made an exception here again.
मैं अपना देखें, the schedule, the election schedule started. Let's go back to the election schedule, man.
20th December. It is 20th December.
So, as a special, I am just making a
As a
submission that.
special under which power?
Ji.
As a special concession under which power you would have to resort to section 240.
2183 read with
That's a-
4 and 9.
That's a tough one. I mean, that's a tough one.
My lord will
That's a
take,
difficult
but my
one.
lord, as counsel I'm
Because
making.
you're unrolling a lot of things which factually could not have been unrolled had they
I am
gone
so
ahead with
happy
it.
that the bench is saying all of this to me, because I'm happy to hear all all of this, that
आपके
no
पास-
special exemptions,
एक direct
2183 doesn't apply.
दोनों आपके पास एक डायरेक्ट पावर शायद होता 240 का, वो तो उस वक्त तो आपने इस्तेमाल किया
Fair enough, sir.
उस वक्त आपको
I gave my submission. I bow to my Lord's observation.
Sikandar,
Sir.
but why have you taken the date of 13th of January to the 7th of February? The matter of election was pending with the Election Commission of Pakistan years before.
My lord,
And
they were
years before,
2-3 years
before PTI had said, give us more time, give us more time. So this is the end result of a consequence. But the date was much earlier in time. So don't attribute or blame to the Supreme Court.
No, my lord, that
Make
was,
that the starting
that was
point.
not my. मैंने तो my lord ECP से शुरू किया and I did
नहीं,
not.
उससे पहले कानून कहता है इलेक्शन
Fair
करा
enough.
लें.
My lord, I was counsel in that case myself.
तो वो
Several
डेट
years-
शुरू हो रही है. देखिए डेट, ये तो वो एग्जॉशन पे आ गए ना.
I was just dealing with
ये
the
तो
exhaustion
या
period.
तो आप कह रहे हैं वो क्या होता है आजकल फुटबॉल चल रही है तो एक्स्ट्रा टाइम में चले गए, या एक्स्ट्रा टाइम के बाद और भी टाइम होता है ना, वो
This was an
इंजरी
extra
टाइम
time
में चले गए.
and I was duly corrected in a sense by the bench.
ओरिजिनल गेम ऑफ वाज द 90 मिनट
First 90 minutes पहले के थे.
वो आपको करना था एक सर्टेन मुद्दत में, वो था असल चीज.
I bow to my
But the
lord.
less time you spend on point 3, the better.
आगे
I'm
बढ़ते
moving.
हैं.
That's why I'm seeking to like move rapidly to my last
मिस्टर
point.
काउंसिल देखिए वो तो इलेक्शन हो गए थे, वो इलेक्शन इंट्रा पार्टी उन्होंने कर लिए थे. सवाल ये था कि whether they came up, whether they lawful or not. That point you said no. One consequence you said not entitled to election symbol. But सवाल ये था कि इलेक्शन जायज हुए या नहीं हुए. जायज से मुराद लीगली हुए.
With compliant with 208 or not.
And that issue, that particular point ultimately actually crystallized on the 13th of January when it attained finality with the judgment of the Supreme Court, which upheld your order. So in that sense, speaking for myself, I can understand your 14th January through to 7th February
Extra time argument,
extra
we'll
time,
call it.
but my question is, वो जो आपको कानून जिसको जो 240 है उसको तो पहले आपने
My lord, मैं बस
और
तेज अपने अगले सबमिशन पे जा रहा हूँ.
देखिए यू हैव टू बी फेयर. अब कह रहे हैं कि जी वो कर लेते तो हम फिर 240 या 218 या ये वो इन्वोक करते. अरे भाई 22/12 को जब आपने किया उस वक्त करते ना, बता देते कि जी इलेक्शन सिंबल तो हमने ले लिया, हम रादर हम दे नहीं सकते. नो लेट मी रीफ्रेज दैट. एक्चुअली आपने लिया, आपके पास डिस्कशन थी, आपने ले लिया, लेकिन आप पार्टी हैं फॉर दिस इलेक्शन, वो आपने उस वक्त किया नहीं. अब आप जब इशू फाइनली क्रिस्टलाइज हो गया, अल्टीमेटली डिटर्मिन हो गया, आपका ऑर्डर अपहोल्ड हो गया, अब फिर आप मुद्दा उन पे डाल रहे हैं. ये तो गैर मुनासिब
ये
बात है.
third point जरा आगे
My lord, I'll move on.
नहीं, मगर आपकी देखें ये गैर मुनासिब बात, मजीद आपकी गैर मुनासिब बात ये है कि जो ये तो तस्लीम शुदा है, ये आपका मौक़िफ़ नहीं है. उन्होंने कहा कि जी हमने इलेक्शन नहीं करा सके, हमें 1 साल का मजीद वक्त दीजिए. तो एक्स्ट्रा टाइम अगर गेम खेला ही नहीं गया,
There was a lot of extra time.
देखिए गेम खेला ही नहीं गया तो कहना कि जी हमने गेम खेल लिया, तो वो ज़रा मुनासिब बात नहीं है, क्योंकि ये तो तस्लीम शुदा बात है. अगर हम आगाज़ करेंगे सबसे पहले तो उन्होंने खुद ही आपको दरख्वास्त की जब प्राइम मिनिस्टर थे कि जी मुझे साल देते हैं. आपने इतना फराखदिली दिखाई, आपने कहा साल ले लो पहले. तो फिर ये आप जो है ना, ये आप अपना कवर करने के लिए हम पे डाल रहे हैं, मगर आप कसूरवार थे. आपने साल अगर ना देते, कुछ कम वर्ष देते तो शायद हो जाती बात.
Point 4 is the
Point 4. My lord, my point 4 is that
एक सिकंदर साहब एक थोड़ा सा इसमें,
my
क्योंकि
lord.
बार बार इस जजमेंट का जिक्र हो रहा है 13 जनवरी का. अगर जो आपने हमें ये CMA दी है 5839 सेकंड वॉल्यूम, अगर आप देखें ये बड़ा नाम है अली मोहम्मद खान साहब. ठीक, अली मोहम्मद खान साहब ने अपने डॉक्यूमेंट्स जमा किए 24/12/2023 को. डेट नोट करें 13/1/2024 में जजमेंट आ रही है, लेकिन ये डॉक्यूमेंट सबमिट हो रहे हैं 24/12/2023.
Because this was the last date for filing of nomination papers under the election program.
इस तारीख को जो उन्होंने पेपर जमा किए, पेज 175 पे डिक्लेरेशन में अगर आप देखें, आप पढ़ें जरा डिक्लेरेशन में वॉल्यूम 2
Volume 2, yeah.
5839. इस तरह बेशुमार है, चूंकि अली मोहम्मद खान साहब के मेरे सामने आ गए तो इसलिए मैं His declaration form is nil
58G.
5839
Allot page क्या था? I beg your
175 second volume.
G.
ये देखें इसके डिक्लेरेशन I belong to
NA23, I belong to
nil.
blank.
ब्लैंक है और उन्होंने साथ सर्टिफिकेट कभी नहीं लिखा.
तो
तो क्या
12 को आपका ऑर्डर आ गया हुआ था ना, दैट्स
क्या?
नॉट अ पार्टी और
नहीं तो वो लिख लेते, बाकियों ने भी लिखा है. सिंबल के वाले से ये बात नहीं आई कि आप इंडिपेंडेंट हो. ये सर्टिफिकेट इनका नहीं आया, ना इन्होंने डिक्लेरेशन लिखी. क्या इनको पहले से पता था कि उनको सिंबल नहीं मिलेगा, या इनको पहले से पता था कि वो डिबार होंगे? ये सिर्फ एक प्लीज, ये एक नहीं है. सारी रात में इसको देखता रहा, इसमें बेशुमार ऐसे हैं
तो ब्लैंक
जो ब्लैंक है या जिन्होंने शुरू से इंडिपेंडेंट लिखा है. तो क्या 24 दिसंबर तक जजमेंट आने से पहले इनको इल्हाम हुआ? ये मुझे समझ नहीं आती कि
there's a lot of things जो समझ नहीं आती वो देख के.
सिकंदर साहब,
मैं fourth पे आ जाऊं जी. Thank you, my lord. My lord, my fourth submission is that CMA 3554 of 2024, which has CP number nil attached to it. My lord, this is the other CPLA which hasn't been numbered. This is the number of the CMA, and then it says CMA in CP number nil, which is filed by Kawal Shahzeb. Whatever. Mr. Kawal Show.
That's English. I mean, I thought Urdu was a
My
problem.
lord, bus it's. I beg your pardon, sir. I actually have told them I've been making the Shahzada ko main Sahibzada kar raha hu aur Sahibzada ko maine Shahzada. I beg your pardon. But my lord, coming back to this, give me the volume.
3554.
No, give me the volume.
We have this excellent languages school here in Islamabad called Namal.
Namal, I'm going to enroll, my
Namal
lord.
program could help
I will, my lord, I will.
on the lighter side.
Yes,
Go ahead.
my lord, in my defense, I only went to school and read Urdu till class 6 in Pakistan. Then I was not here. I went to school of
So you 3554?
3554, my lord. My lord, simple. If the paper book is there before my lords, I'm referring to the main CPLA. Kawal Shozab.
वो बैठी हुई है, आप इनसे पूछ लें इनका नाम क्या है.
I will take that also. My lord, I just have a straightforward submission here that based on the averments in paragraph 2 of the CPLA nil, the petitioner has no locus at all. Her locus is based on anticipation and hope that one day she may be named in the Form 66. That is too remote to entitle the petitioner to be heard. My lord has heard learned counsel for this petitioner by way of grace is what I would say, but strictly applying the general principles this court normally applies to regulate its jurisdiction in these matters, this petitioner has absolutely no locus standi, and that is the ECP's submission that this be dismissed simply on that basis.
What is her prayer in this petition? Prayer clause जरा पढ़ें.
Her prayer, sir, is ये तो CPLA है, so they'll be seeking leave to appeal only here, my lord.
26 page पे prayer.
जी बिल्कुल sir. It is therefore most respectfully prayed that this honorable court may be pleased to grant leave to the petitioner against the imputed judgment dated this, passed by a division bench of the Honorable High Court. And my lord, very technically speaking, this prayer has been granted because this is a civil appeal now. So this is a civil appeal. This prayer is granted in 333. That is, my lord, my fourth submission, and now I will conclude, my lord, by my lord, Mr. Justice, where are the books?
Oh, I didn't quite get your fourth submission.
My lord, my fourth submission was simply that the other CP nil, the petitioner has no locus standi to file. That should not be heard. Its submissions cannot be taken into consideration because simply could not come directly to the Supreme Court, is not an aggrieved person, is not going to be affected by this judgment in a direct manner or to an extent that would entitle her to be heard and for the CPLA to be numbered. It should be dismissed on that
Are you
basis
concluding?
alone. And the description she has given herself of herself, she is still in the PTI and is heads some wing of the women's wing. That paragraph 2 of her petition sets out her own details according to herself. Based on those, she has no locus. My Lord, the next submission, Lord, the next one is for Mr. Justice Yahya Afridi at the end of the hearing, on the last date, sought names of